Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the previous video series we have seen about creating the machine catalog. So in this video series we are going to study about creating the delivery group. So here we go. So this is the machine catalog that we have created in the previous series, and now we are going to go ahead and create the delivery group. Now before we go ahead and create the delivery group, we need to have the users, right? If we do not have the users, whom are we going to go ahead and allocate these machines? So let's go ahead and first create the users. So I'll go to my Active Directory and create some users. So here's the access or the console of my Active Directory, and here we are going to go ahead and create the users. So I'll just go with create and the new user. So I'll just name it as let's say I'll just give it my name 01. So here the user account is created. So that's all we need to do in the Active Directory. So let's go back to the Citrix Studio. Now if you are coming to the delivery group, I'll select the delivery group. Right hand side you got the option create the delivery group. Go with next. Now here what you can do is this is the machine catalog that we have created, and now you can see here that machines available in the particular catalog is 2. Now out of these 2 machines, how many machines would you like to have for this particular delivery group? So since I have just created one user, so what I'm going to do over here is I'll just use one machine. Go with next. Now restrict the use of this delivery group to the following users. Otherwise, if you select the first option, any user who is going to log in will be able to see this machine. We don't want that to happen. I want a particular user only to access this machine. So the user that we have created, I will check names. Okay. Let's see now. Oh. Oh, there must be some problem. Let me check what's up with the user that we created. Must be I would have given the wrong name. The name goes right. Then what's the problem? Okay, take some time to fresh it up. Okay, so here was the user. Go ahead with next. Would you like to provide any applications to this? No, definitely not. Desktop's assignment rule. This is very important. Display name. So whatever name you are going to provide here, this name will be displayed to the end user. And just go ahead with allow everyone with access to this delivery group and make sure that you have enabled the desktop. Next, provide the delivery group name, Windows 7 testing, and I'll give my name here. Finish. Okay, so the delivery group is also created. Now we will go ahead and test for it, whether it is working or it is not working. So I'll just run the web browser here. And here you are supposed to give the URL that we have created right at the time of setting up the Citrix storefront server. So in our lab environment, it was http:// and it was sf.test.lab. Now this is the base URL /citrix/storeweb. This is the default URL that would get created, right? So now here what I'm going to do is, so here my name of the storefront is different. It goes as BLR SF01. Let's see if it comes up. Uh-oh. Why? Yep. Because in the production environment we have been using HTTPS connections. So here, give the username. Okay. You need to allow the pop-ups. Done. Now click. Now you can see here. Oh, the desktop is already launched. Okay. So here is the one, and just go ahead and go with open, and the desktop would launch. So here it says Citrix, you cannot create the session connection this browser. Now the reason here is that the web browser compatibility. Okay, so what we can there's another option that can be used. So this is the HTML5 receiver that has been enabled in this particular production environment, right? So what I can do is the other way around. If I talk about, so I can access this VM from outside the world, also for the, you can say outside the network. So let me show you how exactly it's going to work around. So here we go. So this is the address of actually my Netscaler server. The username that we have given. Uh-oh. So you see here, you want to detect the receiver. So detect receiver is nothing but you should make sure that there is, let me click on this. So you can download the receiver as the application from here that can get launched. If you have already downloaded, you can click on already installed. In this case, if I click on this Windows 7, so here you see that the file gets downloaded, and the file is called as ICA. As here on this corner, there's a Citrix receiver that is getting enabled now, and here the desktop launches. So first time it takes time. The reason behind that is the machine has to get registered in the backend. Okay, and the desktop launches, and we are good to go with this. So if I go here and I show you, so here we go, and the name of the delivery group we had given. So this is the delivery group name. Double click on this, you can open it up. And you see here, power state is on, registration state is registered. Now you might face the issues if the user tries to log in and the user gets the issues like cannot connect to the desktop or cannot start the desktop. Then in that case, you should make sure that here the registration state of the VM should be registered. Now what happens is, as soon as I log off from here, let me log out, log off. Now in a while you will see that this registered state will go to unregistered, and the power state that you see here, the power state will get changed to off. So this is how the delivery groups are created, and you provide the access to the end user. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video.